Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid, a vehicle that's all about efficiency, capability, and versatility. As one of the few hybrid options in Subaru's lineup, the Crosstrek Hybrid combines the brand's signature ruggedness with eco-friendly technology, making it the perfect choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on performance or utility. Let's jump right in and see what makes the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid such a standout choice. And before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews. Under the hood, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid is powered by a 2.0-liter boxer engine paired with an electrically driven motor, which together produce a total of 148 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain is designed for smooth performance, whether you're driving through city streets or tackling a weekend adventure. The e-Boxer hybrid system ensures that you have the power you need while keeping fuel efficiency at the forefront. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) and, like other Subaru models, the Crosstrek Hybrid features the brand's symmetrical all-wheel drive (AWD) system, giving you enhanced traction and stability in all weather conditions. What's particularly impressive about the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid is its fuel efficiency. With its hybrid powertrain, it offers 90 mpg (miles per gallon equivalent) and a combined range of up to 480 miles on a full tank and charge. The electric-only range is around 17 miles, allowing you to do short trips around town or commute to work on pure electric power alone, which is perfect for those daily errands or city driving. This blend of electric and gasoline power gives you the best of both worlds, impressive fuel savings without sacrificing the all-terrain capability that Subaru is known for. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid doesn't disappoint. With its low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, and excellent suspension system, the Crosstrek Hybrid delivers a smooth and stable ride, whether you're on the highway or off-road. Subaru's X mode is also available on this model, providing additional control when driving on slippery or uneven surfaces like snow, gravel, or dirt. Whether you're exploring the mountains or navigating through tough weather conditions, the Crosstrek Hybrid is more than equipped to handle it. Visually, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid continues Subaru's rugged and modern design language. The front features a bold hexagonal grille flanked by LED headlights that give it a sharp, athletic look. The side profile showcases the muscular wheel arches, wide stance, and higher ground clearance, making it look ready for adventure. The rear is streamlined, with dual exhaust outlets and a roof spoiler, maintaining a sporty and sleek appearance. The car is available in a range of vibrant colors, including cool gray khaki, jasper green metallic, and crystal black silica, allowing you to match the Crosstrek Hybrid to your personal style. Inside, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. The interior is designed to maximize practicality while still offering modern comforts. The front seats are supportive, with available leather upholstery in higher trims, and there's plenty of space in the rear seats for passengers, even on longer trips. The rear seats also fold down flat, giving you up to 55.3 cubic feet of cargo space for gear, groceries, or whatever you need to haul. Whether you're loading up for a weekend getaway or just need extra room for shopping, the Crosstrek Hybrid has you covered. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid also comes equipped with an impressive array of tech features. The centerpiece of the tech package is the 8-inch Subaru Starlink infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and offers Bluetooth connectivity for seamless integration with your smartphone. There's also a premium sound system available in higher trims for audiophiles who want to enjoy crystal clear music on the go. For those who enjoy a little more convenience, the Crosstrek Hybrid also offers a wireless charging pad and dual-zone automatic climate control for added comfort on the road. When it comes to safety, Subaru's commitment to innovation shines through with the EyeSight driver assist technology. This suite of safety features includes adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, lane keeping assist, and lane departure warning, all standard on the Crosstrek Hybrid. Higher trims come with additional safety tech like blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, ensuring that you're always aware of your surroundings. Whether you're driving in the city or on a winding mountain road, the Crosstrek Hybrid has your back, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. Pricing for the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid starts at around $36,000 for the base trim, with higher trims, such as the Touring and Limited, pushing the price closer to $40,000. While it may come at a premium compared to the non-hybrid Crosstrek, the added efficiency, eco-friendliness, and capability make the Crosstrek Hybrid a solid value for those looking to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing utility. In conclusion, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid is a perfect blend of versatility, efficiency, and ruggedness. It offers excellent fuel economy, the reliability Subaru is known for, and the ability to go off the beaten path with ease. With its all-wheel drive capability, hybrid technology, and advanced safety features, the Crosstrek Hybrid is a fantastic option for anyone looking for an eco-friendly SUV that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading out on your next adventure, the Crosstrek Hybrid is ready to take you wherever you want to go. Thanks for tuning into Crazy Cars. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy the ride.